Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So now in this video today, we have a special collaboration and it's called the Wood Entertaining Collab, and that's being hosted by Faison. Now she also has some beautiful ladies hosting with her, and it is Shawni on the spot and Juanis' house. Now, if you guys haven't been over to these ladies' channels, you must go over there. They have so much beautiful content, from decorating tablescapes and just cooking and all kinds of things, including the word. And yeah, guys, you need to go over there, subscribe to their channels, and send them some love and tell them that Anna sent you. Now, I'm going to be linking all of the hosts down in the description box along with their channel links. I'm also going to try to link the playlist. So make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist so that you can see some amazing things that these creators have for you with wood. Now, I'm just starting my collection of wood items. So I'm going to go ahead and decorate a vignette for you using my coffee table. And of course, I always decorate the coffee table too. And yeah, I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music and let's see how this turns out, guys. So now that lantern in the back of that coffee table, they're absolutely beautiful, and it's all in wood. I purchased that at Home Goods, and that was a great buy. Don't you just love the fall colors? It just kind of brings a warmth to the area, and the wood just complements everything. Now the truck has become so popular over the years, and I decided to put together, using Dollar Tree items, my own wooden truck, and I decided to paint that in black. And the hydrangea that's hanging off of it is absolutely beautiful because it's like a black and gold type of thing going on here. And I think it blends in beautifully with the coffee table. Now the studded pumpkin that I placed inside of the vignette, that I DIY'd, and it is gorgeous. And then the vase I thrifted from the Salvation Army, and that is engraved in black, and that's also gorgeous. So of course the florals had to be orange, or that burnt orange color. I'm so into that right now. So, and of course I couldn't leave my gingerbread men out, guys. They are so adorable. So there we go. Okay, so we lit the candle and let's head on over to the reveal, guys. Now I do want to take a moment and thank the hosts, Gigi Faison and Shawni on the spot, and Juanis house for hosting this collaboration. I had an awesome time. So now I do hope that you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed putting it together for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.